fire we lit. For 3 long years, with heart in hand, we walked the breadth of this beloved land. From humble streets to echoed halls, we answered unity's sacred calls. We bore no crown, yet stood as kings, with truth as shield and hope as wings. Each village square, each bustling town, we sowed the seeds and laid them down. Through LGA lines and boundaries old, we shared a dream, both brave and bold. Not for fame, nor fleeting gain, but to soothe our people's silent pain. With every footstep, tear, and fight, we carved a path. We brought the light. We faced resistance, faced the night, but still we rose with fierce insight. Now see the flames we dared to spark. They burn in hearts, they pierce the dark. An inferno roars where silence dwelled. A cry for truth long held, now yelled. The world now knows what once was hushed, that our identity was bruised and crushed, but not anymore. My commitment to Allah Igbo's progress and prosperity is unwavering. Love for our land and defense of her honor drive me forward. Despite facing backlash and negativity from those who claim to be Igbo or our neighbors, I've developed resilience. My focus has shifted towards building a secure and attractive investment environment for Allah Igbo. Whether loved or hated, I'll continue to proudly showcase our rich heritage and